Hello, welcome back to the show. My name is Slimmy Bobelli, and today I'm going to show you how to cook a Salmoriglio sauce, which is a Sicilian sauce for fish. You can put it over baked fish, seared fish, grilled fish, but before we get started, let's say hello to Boo-Bah-Lish. Hello there, Batu. We're going to need some extra virgin olive oil, some Moscato wine, some lemon juice, some minced garlic, some chopped parsley, and some dried oregano. Let's take a quarter cup of olive oil, put it in a bowl. Then we're going to take 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, put it in with the olive oil. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of the minced garlic, put it in there. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of chopped Italian flat leaf parsley. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. I use Meyer lemon juice, watch out for them seeds. And finally, we're going to add a quarter cup of sparkling Moscato wine. We're going to add a little bit of kosher salt, and we're going to add a little fresh cracked black pepper. We're going to make them up, give them a good stir. And that's it. It's that quick, it's that simple, it's that easy. We can heat up this sauce before we put it over our fish. Here we go. Salmoriglio sauce, great over seared sea bass, or baked grouper, or grilled swordfish. Mangiamo. Ciao.